They say the best cruise line is the one you're on right now. But let's be honest, the best cruise line is the one that treats you like royalty before you've even handed them a credit card. Today, we are dissecting the Explora Club. This isn't just a loyalty program, it's a complex financial instrument. Play it right and you save thousands of dollars and get your underwear washed for free. Play it wrong, well, you're just paying an idiot tax to the cruise line. I'm going to show you how to cruise like a millionaire without being one, including a glorious double dip act to get top tier status instantly. But fair warning, there is a specific timing mistake that costs most people 5% of their fare immediately. I'll make sure you aren't one of them. So pour yourself something expensive and let's hack the system. Explora Journeys is the ultra-luxury love child of the MSC group. They launched the Explora Club in April 2025 and decided to rethink loyalty. Their philosophy? They call it ocean state of mind. I call it empty state of bank account. Unlike the old days where one day at sea equaled 1 point, Explora rewards you based on how you cruise, not just that you cruise. Everything here is earned except for the things we're going to steal legally through status matching. First tier, classic. The participation trophy. You get this for having a pulse and signing up. The killer benefit, early access. You get to book new itineraries before the general public. This lets you snag the midship suites that don't rock like a cradle in a storm before the general public takes them. This lets you snag the prime real estate. Second tier, silver, the Krug fund. This is where the math starts working for you. The killer benefit, 5% rolling discount. You save 5% on any future journey. On a 10,000 cruise, that's 500. That pays for your flights or a very nice bottle of vintage Krug. This is a compounding interest for your vacation life. Third tier, gold, the tease. Now we're getting serious, but don't get too excited. The killer benefit? One complimentary bag of laundry. But hold your horses, it's just one bag per sailing. It's a tease. It's enough for a few linen shirts, but not enough to pack light. Still, at luxury prices, that bag is worth about $150. Fourth tier, platinum, the share tier. This is the sweet spot. This is where I want you to be. The killer benefit? Daily unlimited laundry. Technically, it's one bag per day, but unless you change outfits like Cher in a Vegas residency, it's unlimited. You also get 200 in credits for the spa and excursions, plus a bridge tour to feel important. Fifth tier, Diamond, the unicorn, the holy grail. The killer benefit, a free trip. The catch? You can buy your way to diamond status with points, but to unlock the free cruise, you must physically sail 400 nights. To get here, you've likely spent $250,000 with Explora. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Yeah, I know, 400 nights for a free cruise? It's a joke. But once you got the free trip out of the way, you enjoy a suite upgrade, a private transfer, and a culinary experience on the house. Could be Chef's Kitchen or something similar. Talking about cruising like a millionaire without being one. Don't just sign up on the website. That is a rookie mistake. Use my referral link, scan this QR code. Why? Because you get 200 of your first cruise and 500 points credited to your account after sailing. That's a 5-night head start on status for free. Once on board, your points are calculated by nights times the suite multiplier. Ocean suite, 100 points per night. Penthouse, 200 points per night. Residence, 300 points per night. Sometimes paying for the better suite is actually cheaper than booking 3 extra cruises to hit the next status level. Here is the secret sauce. Explora is owned by the MSC group, and MSC is, let's say, promiscuous with their status matching. So the play? Take your Hilton Diamond or Marriott Platinum hotel status, which you probably get from a credit card, match that to MSC Voyagers Club to get MSC Diamond. Once you have your shiny MSC Diamond card, you go to Explora and say, match me! MSC Diamond matches to Explora Platinum. Boom! You just unlocked unlimited laundry and 200 in credit without ever stepping on the ship. But you must do this before you book. If you book first and match later, you just donated that 5% silver discount back to the cruise line. Don't be generous, be efficient. I've done the deep research comparing Explora to the other luxury lines you know and love. Here is the cheat sheet on who they match and where they win or lose. Seabourn, their Diamond, matches to Explora Platinum. Differentiator, Seabourn gives you a free cruise at 140 days. Explora makes you wait for 400 nights. Seabourn wins on the milestone. Explora wins on the instant 5% discount. Regent 7 Seas, their gold matches to Explora Gold. Differentiator, Regent gives you free laundry at gold tier. That's 75 nights. Explora makes you wait for Platinum. Regent is more generous with the wash cycle early on. Silver Sea, the controversial one. A 300-day Venetian Society member might only match to Explora Silver or Gold because of how the tiers align. It stings a bit. Differentiator, Silver Sea's 5 to 10% discount is great, but Explora's rolling 5% starts immediately at Silver. MSC, as we discussed, this is the golden key. MSC Diamond is the easiest path to luxury status in the industry. Now, let's go to some frequently asked questions. Can I use the 200 Platinum credit online? No, it's for onboard bookings only. If you pre-book excursions online, you can't use it. Annoying? Yeah. Does the status match expire? Yes. Match about 3 months before you book and sail, so it doesn't go dormant. Can I combine the 5% silver discount with other offers? Usually, yes, it stacks with early booking savings. That is how we cruise like millionaires. Do I get points for spending money? Yes, 100 points for every 1,000 spent. Buy a watch? Points. Lose at the casino? No points. The house always wins. Explora Club rewards the smart traveler, not just the frequent one. Use the match, use the referral, and get your laundry done for free. But status doesn't matter if you're in the wrong room or the wrong itinerary. I have 3 videos right here to help you finish the job. My full ship tour, every bar and Eden corner. All the rooms. Is the points multiplier worth the extra cash? My 17-day transatlantic vlog. See if you can actually handle 2 weeks of nothing but ocean and champagne. And me doing my own laundry. I'm Alex, this is Cruising After 50. Subscribe and remember, the best cruise ship is the one I'm on right now. Cheers!